We expect our pets to live long and healthy lives, and so our feeding is quite different these days to wild dogs. There are a number of different ways of feeding a pet in an appropriate way, and there's a lot of personal choice that comes into it. There's also a lot of individual what works for your puppy. The downside of wet food is to some extent it can promote more gingivitis and more plaque on the teeth, whereas dry food would tend to have slightly more of a cleaning effect. In terms of brands of food, you get what you pay for, and a premium brand will have a much higher quality nutrition. There's a lot more research that's gone into getting the food balanced, which gives your puppy good growth for the long term. It is worth, especially for puppies, investing in the best quality food that you can afford. It is often best if you're feeding a bowl of food, take it away after half an hour thereabouts and offer them food again at a later date. That way you will get a good idea of how often your puppy's eating, and it means that if they skip one meal and they skip the next meal, you've got a very quick heads up that there's a problem. Whereas if there's a bowl of food that anybody tops up at any point, it can take actually a few days before you notice that, hang on, nobody's added food, my dog must be sick. Young puppies should be fed 4-ish times a day, smaller breeds more often, and giant breeds maybe a little bit less often. And then going into adulthood, twice a day would be